Hi, everyone, and welcome to the 2018 webinar series by the American Liver Foundation. This webinar's topic is utilizing mindfulness on your journey of wellness. We'd like to thank the American Liver Foundation for the opportunity to talk with you all regarding this topic. My name is Dr. Ronak Vashi Patel, and my mentor is Dr. Lisa VanWagner. We are from the Division of Gastroenterology and Hepatology at Northwestern University Feinberg School of Medicine. The disclosures as it relates to this talk for both Dr. VanWagner and Dr. Patel are listed here. The objectives of today's talk are to define mindfulness, discuss how mindfulness relates to general health and wellness, and provide strategies to incorporate mindfulness into your daily life. So let's start by defining what mindfulness even is. Mindfulness, as defined by the Merriam-Webster Dictionary, is the quality or state of being mindful. It is also the practice of maintaining a non-judgmental state of heightened or complete awareness of one's thoughts, emotions, or experiences on a moment-to-moment basis. Simply put, mindfulness is an awareness to one's present moment experience, and this awareness should be free of judgment. To better try to understand what mindfulness even is, let's reflect on some examples of being mindless. I know for sure I've definitely been mindless at times, and maybe you will relate to some of these examples as well. Examples include snacking without being aware you're eating, being preoccupied with the future or the past, running on automatic without much awareness to what you're doing, and walking quickly to where you're going without paying attention to what you experience along the way. The goals of mindfulness are to develop a stronger sense of well-being and to allow for clear thinking. So why should we even care about mindfulness or being mindful? Previous studies have shown that the mind frequently wanders. In fact, one study found that our minds wander 47% of the time. That's nearly half the time. Interestingly and importantly, people were less happy when their minds wandered. So let's further explore this concept and discuss how mindfulness relates to all of our general health and wellness. Mindfulness has been shown to have benefits in a variety of ways, including decreasing perceived pain for patients with chronic pain, improving mood, decreasing stress, and aiding in the ability to cope with life. Mindfulness techniques have shown benefits for patients with a variety of health conditions as well, including depression, type 2 diabetes, sleep disturbances, eating disorders and obesity, ADHD, and psoriasis. There are a variety of other conditions currently being investigated to see if mindfulness exercises and techniques can improve the overall patient experience. Mindfulness techniques have also been used in many different settings, including hospital and clinical settings for both patients and even healthcare providers. Other settings where mindfulness techniques have been utilized include the workplace, schools, military, and even in prisons. Particularly in the workplace, those who practice mindfulness techniques have been found to have less emotional exhaustion and more job satisfaction compared to those not participating in mindfulness. Knowing now the variety of benefits of mindfulness in a myriad of conditions and settings, and knowing that mindfulness can help us all cope with daily life and promote happiness, let's explore how you can apply mindfulness and provide strategies to incorporate mindfulness into your daily life. There are many ways to incorporate mindfulness into your life. One such way is actually through a formalized program called mindfulness-based stress reduction. If you choose to attend one of these formalized programs, here is what you might experience. Mindfulness-based stress reduction is a formalized group program. The program is usually 8 weeks. Weekly sessions are usually 2.5 hours or 2.5 hours. Programs include a 1 all-day silent retreat. And during the sessions, the focus is concentrating on certain exercises such as meditation, yoga, and body awareness. And it usually involves a daily 45-minute homework assignment. Now, we know that everyone can't always attend such a formalized program, but there are many simple ways to incorporate mindfulness into your everyday life. Incorporating mindfulness activities can allow us to be in the present moment and free of judgment. Being mindful in everyday life involves simple techniques that allow increased attention to your surroundings, body, and senses. And the great thing about all these practices is that anyone can practice mindfulness and no special equipment or tools are needed. So let's try one of these mindfulness techniques together by trying to focus on our breathing. Wherever you're sitting or listening to this webinar, try to take a moment to pause. Find a comfortable seated position, and if you feel okay doing so, go ahead and try closing your eyes. Bring your attention to your breathing. Take a big deep breath in and out, and continue to try doing this slowly. As you breathe in and out, notice how your breath passes your nostrils, how your chest rises and falls, and if you find your mind wandering, gently redirect your mind back to your breathing. If your eyes were closed, go ahead and open them. The steps we just went through are on the screen. Most importantly, breathing exercises can be as brief as the one we just did to help kind of refocus and redirect our days, or can be more prolonged and last minutes. The overall point is just to try to focus in the moment and not criticize yourself if you find your mind wandering. Now let's try to explore some other activities you could also try on your own at home. Walking meditation is another activity that you can basically do anywhere. Begin by bringing your awareness to your walking. Drop your gaze to the floor. Feel each foot touch the floor with every step, heel to toe, and try to walk a steady and slow pace. Don't concentrate on reaching a destination, but rather focus on your walking. Again, if your mind wanders, gently redirect to your walking. This is a simple walking technique that you can try to incorporate in your daily life. Another option is to try performing a body scan. This can also be a brief activity that helps you become more mindful during your day. Again, start by finding a comfortable seated position. This can be on the floor or in a chair. Bring your focus to your body and breathing. Notice different parts of your body and how they interact with your surroundings. Begin with your feet, then move up to your legs, back, stomach, and continue to move up your body. Notice the different sensations your body is experiencing, the pressure against the chair or floor you're sitting in. Try your best to just relax your body and notice the entire presence of your body. The link to a brief body scan that you can try at home that takes just about 3 minutes is listed on the screen. So to review, in today's talk, we define mindfulness, a state of awareness to our present moment that is free of judgment. We discuss how mindfulness relates to general health and wellness, and how it can help us deal with everyday life and promote happiness. And we provided strategies to incorporate mindfulness into your daily life, such as the breathing technique we all tried together, walking meditation, and body scans. Thank you so much for listening to this webinar. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks so much. I'm all done.